Me and Mama, Cozbi Cabrera. Good morning to you, sings Mama, bright as sun. Sometimes she sings it like the birthday song. I've tiptoed to where she is in the house. It smells like cinnamon. Papa and Luca are still sleeping, but I want to be everywhere Mama is. I put my nose to the window. My breath makes a cloud inside. The clouds outside are wearing shadows. The wind is painting the outside window with beads of water. It's raining, I say. The perfect day for boots and puddles, says Mama. Bathroom first, she says. Then water, I say. This is Mama's cup. Sometimes I take a cool sip, but I have to be careful because her cup is breakable. This is my cup. Mama's cup goes clink clink with a spoon. My cup goes duh duh, clink clink clink, duh duh, clink 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 clink. Sometimes things break, Mama says. This is Mama's toothbrush. This is mine. I get less toothpaste. Round my teeth with little circles, Mama says. Round my teeth with little circles, I say. It's shower and dress time. Mama holds up my towel. A shower is warm rain that gets you going. Mama and I both have silver dresses. I wear mine with silver shoes. They're my favorite. Today is not our silver dress day, Mama tells me. I put my silver dress back on the hanger and pick the plaid pants instead. Comb hair, says Mama. She points to my chair. I'm hungry, I say. Mama's thought of this ahead of time. She has warm oatmeal in the pot. This is Mama's bowl. She likes berries. This is my bowl. I like bananas. Comb hair, Mama says again. I don't want the bumblebee beret. I don't like the bumblebee beret, I say. Mama closes her hand. She knows I mean just today. She gives me the blue beret. Comb hair, I say. I point to Mama's chair. Mama smiles. I give Mama the purpley pink beret. It matches her dress. She calls it fuchsia. Out we go, I say. Max is waiting. These are my rain boots, and those are Mama's. Mama's rain boots are bigger than mine, and they're red. I watch for Max's tail before I close the door. Max doesn't wear boots. Outside, a pecker pecks. The sidewalk is longer than it is wide. I love the grass that grows in the in-between. It's moss, Mama says. It's velvet, I say. A hole is where a branch was. Nests are left behind in winter. Some things don't let go. But for what? The stores are boxes filled with people. We sing out loud to sky. Sky is taller, taller than the trees. Mama says a song is highs and lows. Splash. The outside clouds are pink with a sleepy sun. The day and our good are done. Mama puts me and Luca to bed. Our day is done earlier than Mama and Papa's. It's just that way when you're growing. Mama reads to us. I read to Mama. I begin each story with sometimes. Mama laughs. She throws her head back and shines her teeth. I laugh too. You're my best girl, Mama whispers. Luca is already asleep. I slip through the blanket tunnel she closes by my chin. There's the kiss. I love you, Mama, I yell. She turns off the light. My mouth gets sleepy first. The walls are dark except by the window where the stars are hanging. I close my eyes and let the day spin me some pictures. There's Max and Luca and Papa and Mama's laugh and tree holes and tall songs and mossy velvet as green as grass and full boxes and blue beret and a whole cup and a beaded window and warm indoor rain. Oh, there'll be me and Mama.